Nemo's friend. This is Evie, co-founder of NemoVideo. I'm so excited to introduce one of our biggest launch of this year, Nemo Agent. We have so many great and major upgrades like smooth and more flexible user experience, as well as faster and better video quality. First, just start with anything. Click Get Started on the homepage, or simply click the chat box right on the homepage to begin, and paste a product link, upload your product clips, or even bring in other materials like documents or crowd links. Then hit Create Video. From here, you can just talk to Nemo. Nemo analyzes your product's key selling points, target audience, and unique value directly. With Nemo Agent, you can speak your instructions and it updates instantly. For example, you can ask Nemo to write a 20-second short-form video script for your product. Because Nemo continuously learns from viral videos across platforms, it identifies the most effective story structures and creative patterns for your content. The script is fully editable to match your style. After reviewing the script and uploading your raw clips if you didn't at the very first step, then you can tell Nemo to generate the video for you. Nemo automatically selects your best clips, add emotion-driven transitions, music, and voiceover, and creates a polished first draft in minutes. For the generated video, you are in full control, and ask Nemo to do all the post-editing work. And change the voiceover or background music as you like. You can also have Nemo adjust transition or shorten the video. Once you're happy with everything, just export the final video.
Meet Verdant Oasis Nature's hydration ritual in one sheet. Silky, serum-soaked fabric melts into your skin,
Your video
delivering
is ready
deep
to go
botanical
viral.
nourishment.